Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lifestyle News. This time we talk about BTS Jimin top 4 book recommended by K-pop star that will change the way you see the world. And BTS Jimin book recommendation. Jimin from the world famous K-pop band BTS is known for lighting up the stage with his mesmerizing performance, captivating millions with his heartfelt voice. But do you know that Jimin is a man of good books? Jimin loved reading books wherever he get time and stated that his reading practice he helped him because thoughtful, introspective, and deeply emotional in multiple interviews and through social media. Jimin often shared his favorite books that have inspired him and offer him comfort and wisdom. If you are bookworm or just a Jimin fan and curious about K-pop star favorite book, explore the list. Park Jimin, the lead singer, dancer, and producer, recommend his favorite books that will change the way his fans see the world. Each book narrates a lesson about life, love, and the self-discovery. His 5 book recommendations have touched his heart and shaped his worldview. Here's a list of the top 5 books recommended by BTS Jimin that will help you to offer inspiration, comfort, and new perspective in life. And Jimin core strength, flexibility, and the nimbleness is truly amazing. And best book recommended by BTS Jimin. The Notebook by the Nicholas Spark. Jimin is a big fan of The Notebook written by the Nicholas Spark. This novel narrates the story of Noah and Ellie, whose love endured through the decade and experienced various trials. This book is a timeless read that highlights emotional depth and enduring love. Jimin loved the fact that the story themes of devotion, sacrifice, and the power of memory, and they have moved him. And between calm and the passion, Rozo by the Kori Akuni and the Hichoni Tsuji. This book unfolds a unique love story that captures the delicate emotion and the intricate relationship between the characters. The novel Between the Calm and Patient Razo is written by the Japanese author Kyori and the Akuni and the Hitoriya Ritsuji and tell the same story from the different perspective. The doll story explored the complexity of love, distance, and time. Jimin has been deeply touched by how love can be both simple and complicated. Essay After 80 by and the Donald Hard. This is a collective of essay by the Donald Hard, a former US poet laureate. Written in his latter year, the essay reflects aging, loss, and the passage of time. With wit, wisdom, and honesty, Jimin has mentioned how Essay After 80 provide a contemplative look at life from the perspective of someone who has lived through many experiences. Hall reflect to love, memory, and mortality that resonate with the reader of all ages. And the legendary Moonlight Sculptor series by the Haejeong Nam. For those who love fantasy and the adventure, Jimmy recommend the legendary Moonlight Sculptor series. And the series, this is a popular South Korean novel series written by the Haejeong Nam and illustrated by Hyun Lee. The story interests around the character of Lee Hyung, a young man who enters a virtual reality game to make money and escape hardship. The novel series talk not just about and the thrilling escape in the fantastical world, but also highlight themes of perseverance, friendship, and personal growth. Jimin loved the series for its imaginative storytelling and the way the protagonist portray the journey from struggling youth to the legendary figure. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Next time, goodbye.